Hey everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and I'm here at the Haus Tools workshop, and I got a special treat for you today. I'm here with Jeff from Wiha Tools. How you doing, Jeff?
Good, thanks. Thanks for having me.
You betcha. So today you brought a new tool with you, didn't you?
I sure did. We've got the Wiha iTorque digital torque control screwdriver.
So digital, not analog.
That is correct.
All right, let's take a look at that screen here.
Sure, so we've got one press, you turn it on.
Okay.
Hold it for 3 seconds and it switches between Newton meters and inch pounds.
Oh, great. So it can work for Europe or America.
Yeah, depending on what you're working on, your equipment will be spec'd to inch pounds, probably in North America.
Right.
Even if you're here and you're working on European manufacturing equipment, it'll probably be spec'd to Newton meters. So you're able to switch between the two, whereas most of our torque control tools are in one or the other.
Right. No, that's very convenient.
So you're able to switch the torque setting by pressing the button on the base of the screwdriver. And then you're just twisting to tighten it or to increase the torque setting, or to the left to decrease the torque setting.
So let's see that screen there.
So you press the power button.
Okay.
On the back there.
Yes, on the back. Power. There we go. Oh, that's super easy to read. Okay, look at that. We're at 18.9 if you guys can see that on the camera. And I know with the analog, it was really small. I couldn't read it without my reading glasses.
Right, can you read that?
Yeah, I can read this easily, 18.9.
Nice.
So that's really convenient, and it sounds like you can dial it much tighter than the analog ones, because they were just kind of like from 10, I can't remember if the next number was 12 maybe.
Yeah, and these ones come in 3 flavors. This is the highest torque setting. You also got 7 to 26 inch pounds, or for precision work, 60 to 210 inch ounces.
Great, and then this part, like most of them, just fits right in, and it looks like we have our normal quarter bit holder.
Yep.
And what else can you put in these?
So same blades as you would have for the Torque Vario series. Like you said, this is the 1/4 inch adapter. You've also got a precision option for 4mm bits, and then a 1/4 inch socket adapter.
Oh, nice.
So that's if you're swapping out your bits a lot.
Right.
These blades also come in all the flavors of Phillips, slotted, Torx, hex, etc. If you're not swapping out blades as much.
Great. So I know people who work in factories are going to really need this tool.
Yep.
But what about somebody else? Maybe somebody who works on a European car, or maybe works on a carbon fiber bike?
Yeah, so maybe not as much under the hood, but like if you're swapping out the panels on the interior of your door, doing a lot of work inside, you're probably going to have more sensitive fasteners, so you're going to want to use torque control. Yeah, like you said, guys who own carbon frame bikes, they're going to want to make sure they don't crack their frame.
I mean, how many of you guys out there working on your first car over-tightened that plastic interior panel and cracked it? I don't want to say I did that more than once, but if I had that screwdriver, it probably wouldn't have happened, right?
That's right.
Anyway, if you guys have used these type of tools, why don't you give us a comment, let us know what you think, if you've used the analog versus a digital one. Also, if you can like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it so we can keep these videos coming. Thanks again, Jeff. It was great talking to you.
It's awesome to be here. Thanks so much.
You betcha.